Ireland. What a beautiful country. Experiencing it in real life should not be missed. In this video, I will present to you a journey across Western Ireland as seen from the sky. Our flight path will take us across counties Mayo, Galway, Clare, and Kerry. We will soar across dynamic landscapes, dramatic waterfalls, placid lakes, majestic mountains, and ocean-hugging cliffs. It's time to start our adventure and soar above the Emerald Isle. Ashford Castle. Built in 1228, the estate was once owned by the Guinness family. Today, Ashford Castle has been transformed into a luxurious five-star hotel. Lough Mask covers an impressive area of approximately 83 square kilometers. It's the sixth largest lake in the country and is renowned for its rich biodiversity and trout fishing. Westport, originally known as Kenmare na Mart, was a cattle mart and trading port. Built in 1813, St. Mary's Church has undergone several renovations over the years. It remains a living place of worship for the community. Down the road, you can see what looks like a funeral procession. It is common in Ireland for friends and family to follow on foot, paying their respects to the departed and their family. The Church of the Holy Trinity stands as a testament to faith and history. It was built on a site generously donated by George John Brown in 1868. This church stands in place of the former church built in 1797. The church's 100-foot pencil spire reaches for the heavens, crowned by a 12-foot cross. Oley Falls, nestled on the border of counties Mayo and Galway, graces the River just north of the Galway-Mayo boundary. The falls gracefully spill over a rugged ledge, and their proximity to Kymore Harbor invites visitors to try their hand at salmon fishing. If ever visiting these falls, remember safety first. It may look like a great place to play with your toy boat, but it is very dangerous. Please take care with little ones as the current is very strong here. Loch Madron is a serene lake near Kymore Abbey. It's surrounded by woodlands and mountains. The vibrant greens truly stand out in this overhead shot. Kymore Abbey is a Benedictine monastery founded in 1920 on the grounds of Kymore Castle. It was established by Benedictine nuns who sought refuge from Belgium during World War I. Today, the abbey continues as a monastery, preserving its spiritual, natural, and heritage for the Irish nation. A stunning view of the abbey across the lake. As we approach, if you look closely, you can see the Everett family standing in the courtyard of the abbey. The cliffs of Moher stretch for about 14 kilometers along the southwestern edge of the Bowen region. These majestic sea cliffs elevate to a height of 214 meters near O'Brien's Tower. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, the Aran Islands, and the Monturks mountain range. Bun Castle, a 15th-century tower house, stands at the heart of Bun village. In 1954, Bun Castle underwent extensive restoration, returning it to its former medieval splendor. Sheen Falls Lodge, nestled on the Kenmare Bay, is a luxurious five-star hotel. Surrounded by 300 acres of woodland and waterfalls, it offers striking views of the cascading Sheen waterfalls and the serene Kenmare Bay. Let's take a zoomed-in look at the cottages. Marianne's cottage stands on the right, while the Little Hay cottage graces the left. Next to the cemetery, you will find the garden cottage. Old Kenmare Cemetery, an early monastic settlement founded by Saint Finian of Innisfallen in the 7th century. The The cemetery now houses the ruins of the Church of St. Finian. The famine plot nearby holds the memory of over 5,000 local people buried during the Great Famine. Sheen Falls are situated high on a bluff overlooking the River Sheen and Kenmare Bay. The falls cascade down a rocky slope, creating a mesmerizing display of water. The upper part of the falls rises to a height of 30 meters. Let's feel the power of the falls. The pure power and beauty of the falls are exhilarating. Can you see raindrops falling? Rain has been an issue on this journey. Flight time has been limited. According to a local girl, Annie, the sun will be out tomorrow. She even went as far as to bet her bottom dollar on it. Kenmare River is a narrow saltwater estuary bordered by the Ivrac and Barra peninsulas. Our Lady's Bridge is an arch bridge spanning the Kenmare River. The bridge was constructed in 1933, replacing an earlier 1841 bridge that was unsafe. I could float down this river and gaze at the sky all day. Kenmare, also known as Naiden, meaning the little nest in Irish, is a small and tranquil town nestled in the mountains. It sits at the head of the Kenmare Bay, which stretches out to the Atlantic Ocean. This town is renowned for its gourmet food, superb accommodation, and natural beauty. In the distance, you can see Holy Cross Church. The church was built in 1864 and designed by Charles Francis Hansom. Simply gorgeous. I love how the sun's rays dance upon the steeple, creating an incredible display. Muls Gap, named after Malcasane, is a narrow mountain pass located along the Ring of Kerry. It lies about a 30-minute drive outside of Killarney and offers spectacular views of the Magillicuddy Reeks mountain range. Inch Beach, located along the Dingle Peninsula, is a 5-kilometer stretch of glorious sand and dunes. This beach is a favorite among surfers, swimmers, and those seeking long walks by the sea. With breathtaking views of Dingle Bay and the protective embrace of the Kerry Mountains, Inch Beach is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The Dingle Peninsula is a glorious region famous for its breathtaking landscapes and countless historical sites. Shaped by the Atlantic Ocean's relentless waves, the Dingle Peninsula boasts craggy cliffs, secluded coves, and beautiful vistas. Aidan, whose ancestors have farmed this land for centuries, welcomes you to his sheep farm. Here, you can cradle a baby lamb, observe the farm sheepdog in action, and explore the ancient beehive huts. Let's take in the view, one last time, of this magnificent peninsula. Nestled in Killarney National Park is Torc Waterfall. The name Torc comes from the Irish word for wild boar. Its source lies on Manger Tun Mountain, flowing down through Devil's Punch Bowl. The cascading waters eventually find their way into the Macross Lake. Absolutely stunning. Let's float into Dingle to get a better look around. As we glide along these boats, we are joined by a friend on our flight. Those colorful buildings have piqued my attention. Let's get a closer look. Such a vibrant strip of shops and pubs. St. Mary's Church is a captivating place of worship. Its sanctuary, designed like the prow of a boat, points heavenward. Heading back to the bay, I wonder how the view looks on the way out. Just wow. I am not sure if Dingle is more enchanting coming in or heading out. As our trip comes to an end, let's soak in this last gorgeous view as we soar with our newfound friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this trip across the skies of Ireland. What a magnificent country! As I stated before we departed, you truly need to experience the lush landscape, brilliant waterfalls, and surreal coasts with your feet on the ground of the Emerald Isle. I would like to give a special thanks to Kelly Blaha and Geneva Everett. These ladies are the planners of the trip. Without them, this video would not have been made. And to the pilot and creator of this video, Michael Blaha, your magic is real.